Hey everyone, want to grow your money? I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you how to turn 100 into 1000 using simple strategies. Let's get started. First, invest in stocks. Use platforms like Robinhood to buy fractional shares and grow your money over time. It's a great way to start. Next, start a side hustle. Use your $100 to buy supplies for freelancing, dropshipping, or selling digital products. The possibilities are endless. Third, flip items for profit. Buy undervalued items from thrift stores or online marketplaces, then resell them for a profit. It's a fun way to make money. Fourth, invest in yourself. Use your $100 to take an online course or buy tools to learn a high-income skill. Investing in yourself always pays off. Finally, try peer-to-peer lending. Platforms like Lending Club let you lend your $100 and earn interest over time. It's a smart way to grow your money. Which strategy will you try? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips. See you in the next video.